Let's open a graphics card. Alright, here it is, the GeForce RTX 3080 Founders Edition card. The lid is free, and there's the card. It sits on a wedge-shaped piece of black foam. We're looking at the back of the card here. The overall design of this is pretty intense. This is a very densely constructed card. It's heavy. It's basically a gunmetal gray colored frame surrounding a huge powder black heatsink on the front side. You can see right through it there. That's where the air will pass through, to the right of the PCB. And along the top edge, you see that angled 12-pin connector right here, and that is one of the more interesting aspects of this design. Big vents on the rear bracket here, along with 3 display ports, 1 HDMI. The card weighs 3.0 pounds on my high-quality postal scale. And the accessory kit. It's pretty basic, some paperwork, and the star of the show, of course, the 12-pin compact power adapter, which has 2 standard PCIe 8-pin connectors on the other side.